We're going to talk a little bit about loose things in the car, what we refer to as cargo. The rule of thumb is if it's not soft enough for you to hit yourself in the face with it or hit the baby in the face with it, then it needs to be restrained. Other aftermarket products that we see a lot of in the field, people add these pads to the harnesses over the shoulders. Again, you may be introducing too much distance between the shoulder and the harness, which would cause injury in a crash. A very popular product we see a lot of are the mirrors attached to the headrests in line with the baby so they can look in their rear view mirror and see the baby. The biggest problem with an aftermarket mirror mounted here is because, again, due to the way the system, the rear-facing system is designed to work in a crash, it rebounds into the seat. So anything here that's hard on the seat has the capability or the possibility of hitting the infant in the face. So again, you don't want to introduce anything that isn't soft enough, that you wouldn't feel confident enough to hit yourself in the face with. If it's a heavy object, if it's a hard object, it needs to be stowed somewhere where it's not going to cause injury. If it's a sedan, put it in the trunk. If it's an SUV, tie it down.
Or use one of the dog grates. You can get those at the pet stores, and the compression in the back of your SUV, they're used to keep dogs in the back, but it also keeps your stroller. It slows down the case of Snapple you just bought at some of the stores out there. You want to keep everything down because it doesn't matter. A roll of things like this, when you're flying around in a car when you've been hit, is very hard. A roll of duct tape is very hard. The Mighty Type is really hard. Anything that's hard. Books, hard-bound books are hard. Probably most of the time my purse probably qualifies for cargo. So anything that you don't want to hit your baby with or hit yourself in the head with, try to get that stowed down really tight.
Maglite flashlights, steering wheel clubs, baseball bats, anything like that. Make sure they're not going to become an object that's going to fly through the car and injure somebody.